Greetings everyone, and this is a very quick tutorial on how to use Loom. So Loom is going to be a free product. You can get Loom Pro for educators for free, which is great. I believe right now the Loom Pro is downloadable for Mac only. I'm checking that right now. Let's see, I actually didn't check it before we got on. It doesn't say, so just double check, but free for teachers and students. This is the one that I have, and I think Pro is fantastic, but there's going to be a few things that it can't do well, but the Pro is where you're going to get high definition. It is for Mac only, so keep that in mind. If you have a Mac and you want to use Loom, then here is the quick tutorial. But if that does not apply to you, then I would recommend looking at Camtasia or Zoom, which are going to be in two other videos. So if you want to move along with Loom, I'm recording this right now in QuickTime because I want to be able to show you Loom. So once you sign in, it's a Google product, so you can just use your Google account to sign in, and then make sure that you sign in using your school email so that you'll get Pro for free. Once you're signed in, then you'll download the product to the computer that you're using, and then this little kind of flower will appear at the very top, and you'll also see the Loom logo at the bottom. So when the Loom application is open, then you just click that, or you can click that at the top, and then you get to choose between having your screen and your camera open. So hello, this is going to be a picture-in-picture, and you can also choose to do a screen only, which is going to allow for just the screencast, or you could do the camera only, which would just have you front to camera. And again, depends on what you want to do. And then once you've decided on screen and camera, screen only or camera only, then make sure that you have a microphone selected. So right now I'm on the Samsung Q2E microphone, and then I would just click start recording. So it's going to give you a little bit of a countdown. It's going to go 3, 2, 1. It is web-based, so it does need a internet speed. I'm uploading a video right now in the background, so the internet speed's a little bit slow for me right now. But this is just an example. So let's say you are doing your screencast, you're having your PowerPoint slide, you're telling your students things, and when you're done, all you do is go up to the little flower again and click it one more time. It will automatically upload the video that you recorded to the Loom platform, and will give you a URL. You can then share this URL directly with your students. The kind of downfall of Loom is it's great for really quick screencasts if you want to show a student something really quickly. If you want to do longer form lectures, I would recommend using either Camtasia, QuickTime, or Zoom, and that's because they're way more stable for a very long type of thing. Every once in a while, Loom will not record properly, and so if you've done a 75-minute recording, you don't want to use Loom for that reason, because and it has to do with the internet connection. So this is great for like really quick stuff, but if you want to do something longer, then I would use QuickTime, Camtasia, or Zoom. So as this loads, it's going to give you a hyperlink here, and then you can change this title as you want. So right now it's still uploading, and because I'm signed out, it'll feature a little hyperlink here, or you can grab the hyperlink there, and then you just copy, paste, and give it to whoever you want it to view. The other thing that is great about Loom is that you can download it, that you just enable download on the interface. Right now it's still loading, so it's not letting me do that. The other thing that to mention on Loom is that they currently do not have ADA compliance with closed captioning. So in order to make that ADA compliant, you would have to, like if you were going to send it out to your entire class, you'd have to upload it to YouTube as a separate file so that you could have the closed captioning. So not perfect, but great as a quick way to do screencasts, and take a look at the other tools that I have gone over.